Alright, we're just gonna do it. Alright, count it down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get savage.
Give it up for Chris from us! Hey!
Teamwork, guys. We're all together as a team. We finish together as a team. We cheer each other on. We push each other to our extreme, and we're better for it. And we can serve our customers better because we're training to be the best that we can be.
Yeah. Watch out, get that. Hold the tires. Woo! Where'd you go? Woo! Woo! Come on!
What was your hardest obstacle?
Hardest?
All one.
Oh,
okay, all right.
No.
Getting here on time.
Yeah, there you go. Time management. Crucial. No, the ice bath probably was the most shocking.
Yeah.
Entire nerve shock to the system, but it felt amazing right afterwards.
For me, climbing the wall, I was hanging on for dear life, and I got my fellow Eustis Roofing guy to get in there and help me out.
Hardest obstacle? Hardest obstacle, there was one of the monkey bars where it's a long, slender bar, and honestly, I don't know how anyone gripped that thing with wet hands, but that was the hardest one for me. we made it through eventually. Took a couple tries, but we conquered it.
What about you, Danny?
Same thing, same one he said. That was almost impossible, but got through.
It's hard to do with wet hands. Efren, what do you think was the hardest?
That one for me was the hardest. The one I really got me scared is the one that has in the water because I'm not a really good swimmer. So I got so vacated to touch the ground. I feel safe. But thank you for everything and the bosses and Eustis Roofing and thank you for a good time.
What about you? Come on.
Every obstacle is difficult for me, but it's my first time, but I am really happy. Thank you for everybody.
What about you?
I think so that everything is difficult. We need to try for the next year.
And then the donkey just keeping the shirt on.
Keeping the shirt on.
Oh wait, we got. Oh, right there, blood, sweat, and tears right there.
We went to war today.